So good evening to all. Hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we'll be discussing about IDFC First Bank. So we'll try to find out the next possible levels, that is we'll do the technical analysis. So in previous videos when we have discussed about IDFC First Bank, we mainly focused on the fundamentals. We have seen about the AGM and also we have discussed about the promoter. So people who have not watched those videos can definitely watch them as well. So mainly we know that the stock has been we can say remained in consolidation phase, and in the past two trading sessions you can see that it has given a excellent breakout. So when we discussed about this particular share, it was trading around 26 and 25 rupees, where we discussed that a good breakout may happen. You can also see even IDFC Bank, not IDFC First Bank, even that particular bank has also given excellent movement. Almost from 19 rupees it has reached the 26 within 1 week. So that much amount of movement was seen. So when we discussed about IDFC First Bank, we know that this particular bank was making losses, but in the latest quarter you can see it has made some profit. So that is what loss to profit we can see in this particular company. So that is a very good indication for the bank. So that's why it has given movement. So we'll see everything. So we'll see the delivery percentage and then we'll see the charts. Okay, if you see the current market price of this particular stock is around 31.35, and it almost closed with a positive movement of 0.97. And if you see the market cap is almost around 17,000 crores. Okay, if you see industry PE, we know that almost is 25.54. We know that current PE is not updated for it. So we know that since so many quarters it was making loss, but now in the recent quarter it has reported profit. So that is a very good sign, and that we have discussed in our earlier videos as well. Okay, so now the important thing is that will it sustain this particular levels, and will it reach its next new level? So that is the important thing. So definitely it should, because the 30 rupees level is very crucial for it, and it is fluctuating at that particular region. And definitely if it sustains that level, then definitely in the coming sessions we can see the 35 plus targets. So we'll see that on charts. So before that, if we see the deliveries of this particular stock on 13th August, so you can see the deliverable percentage is almost around 20.33. So if you compare with the deliverable quantity as well as traded quantity, you can see that the traded quantity is very much more as compared to deliverable quantity. So that's why the percentage is also very less. So people are generally doing trading in this particular stock. So that's why the movement of the particular stock has not been that great. Okay, so when deliveries will start increasing, then only we can say that in the further sessions the more upward movement will be possible. So we can't directly say anything about deliveries. So deliveries for this particular bank has remained low, but the stock has performed very well. So we'll see the levels on charts, and we'll see the next resistances as well as supports. So we are back with the 1 day chart. So you can see near 1 day chart, you can see how it has respected the exponential moving averages. So red color one is the 20 EMA and the green color one is the 50 EMA. So when it has touched that particular, we can say 20 EMA, it has given a very sharp recovery. You can see how much movement was seen in the stock, and later when it has faced resistance near this pivot point, that is around 29.17, it has given a breakout from that, and now it is facing at next resistance is around we can see 31.73. So it has touched that particular resistance almost two times, and it is facing little bit of difficulty. So if it crosses that particular level, that is 31.73, the next 33, 34 and 35 will be easily achieved by this. So this will happen because results of this particular stock were also very great. We know that we know from loss to profit is a very good indication for any company. So nothing to worry about the results. Only thing is that the deliverable quantity should increase, and the people should add this particular stock, because the future of this is very bright. We know that it is completely shifting towards retail banking, and that will even boost the income of this particular bank. So okay, focus on 31.73. okay, if you're holding, then definitely you can hold it. So it should break out that as well. And if you see, money flow index is almost approaching the overbought region. So if it approaches that, again a little bit correction may happen, but it has not reached that region completely. Okay, so what we can see in 1 week chart. So 1 week chart also you can see that it has respected the 27.61 level, that is the 20 EMA, and now immediate resistance for it is around 32.20. If that level is we can say a breakout is seen, then immediately 35 rupees will be achieved. Okay, so levels are very important. So you can see bottom levels also, when we discussed how well it has respected that. So don't worry about the if you're invested at very high point and if you're facing any losses, so nothing will happen. It will recover and it will reach that levels in the coming, we can say coming months or anything. If you're holding at 35, 37, 38 also, it will reach that levels. So money flow index again in this particular region is almost reaching the overbought region. Okay, so definitely you can hold this particular stock and don't do any sort of selling. So fundamental analysis, everything is been discussed about in this particular stock in previous video, so do watch that as well. Okay, so this is all about IDFC First Bank. So I discussed the technicals. So focus on the levels and invest in small quantities and don't do any sort of selling. So always keep your vision for long term and definitely you will get a good amount of profit. So in next videos we'll discuss about Delta Corp, so which I forgot to discuss. So today also almost continuously it has given a good move. So I have already made a video on Delta Corp when it was around 80 rupees. So do watch those videos as well. Okay, so next videos will discuss about that. So until then, take care, bye bye.